Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone is actively signed into the new Apple ID and Icloud. This is the identity your watch will join. Once done, update both devices to the latest iOS and watchOS so compatibility is guaranteed, and enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You should also create a current backup of your iPhone. This preserves your watch settings if you need to restore. Now move to unpairing or pairing steps, depending on whether the watch is currently linked to another Apple ID. If the watch still belongs to the old Apple ID, you must unpair it from its iPhone to remove activation lock. The unpair process will create a watch backup automatically. Once unpaired, erase the watch when instructed so it can be paired to your new iCloud account. Now open the Watch app on your iPhone, choose Pair New Watch, and follow the guided prompts. Align the viewfinder, accept terms, and sign in with the new Apple ID when prompted to associate the watch with iCloud. Finish by restoring the watch from the backup created during unpairing or choose to set it up as a new device. Make sure iCloud Sync for health, messages, and watch settings is enabled so data flows back. Verify activation lock is disabled in Find My and Test features like Apple Pay and Siri to confirm full access. If you hit activation lock or account transfer issues, the key troubleshooting tip is to sign in with the original Apple ID or contact Apple support with proof of purchase to remove the lock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.